What if mastering your energy field was the ultimate secret key to living a fulfilled life where mastering your dreams comes easy? Imagine a world beyond what your eyes can see, what your hands can touch, or your nose can smell. What if your five senses are not the ultimate arbiters of reality, but mere gatekeepers, presenting a limited and distorted view of the vast universe? Consider for a moment that the world you perceive is merely the tip of an iceberg with a massive unseen realm lurking beneath the surface. Welcome to How to Master Your Energy Field. In this video, we dive into the fascinating topic of energy fields, how to harness your energy field, and how to catalyze your intuition by mastering your energy field. What's up, everyone? My name is David. This is Lightways, your hub for all things spiritual awakening. Energy fields, what are they? Energy fields are invisible forces that surround and permeate our bodies, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. They are the bridge between the physical and the spiritual realms, the conduit through which we can tap into the vast reservoir of universal energy, spurring our spiritual growth and catalyzing our dormant intuitive abilities. Now, when you master your energy field, you master your intuition, your self-awareness, and become a co-creator of your reality. This is why it's of the utmost importance to master your energy field and learn to vibrate correctly. But there's a challenge. Firstly, the concept of energy fields may seem abstract or esoteric to some, making it difficult to grasp initially. Additionally, our modern fast-paced lifestyles often leave little room for exploring such subtle aspects of our existence, which can lead to a lack of awareness or interest in the topic. Furthermore, social conditioning and skepticism can create barriers to fully embracing the idea of energy fields and their influence on our lives. Many people just discard this as pseudoscience or woo-woo nonsense without really giving it a fair chance for exploration. Furthermore, mastering one's energy field requires self-awareness, introspection, and consistent practice, which can be a daunting task in a world filled with distractions and obligations. Additionally, individuals may encounter resistance from friends and family who are indoctrinated with fear-based religious dogma, making it challenging to maintain dedication and focus on their journey of self-awareness and self-discovery. So, how do we overcome these challenges so that we can master our energy field and supercharge our intuition? Well, let's dive into 5 techniques for mastering your energy field and supercharging your intuition right now. Number 1, grounding meditation. So this is where you're going to find a quiet place and get into that meditative state, and you're going to connect with the earth, connect with Mother Gaia. The earth has very steady, stable, grounding energy. And what you want to do is visualize roots coming out of the bottom of your feet and going deep into the earth, deep into Mother Gaia. Next, you want to connect your heart frequency, your heart chakra, to the same vibrational frequency as the earth. And you can just do this with intention. You're intending for your heart to be in the same vibrational resonance as that grounding, stable earth energy. You're now connected with Mother Gaia. This is something that you need to internalize and just simply know, something you need to understand. And then you want to let go of that which you no longer wish to hold. So you can kind of envision a swirling cloud in your torso, and it's picking up any negativity, any heavy energies, any cloudy energies that you want to let go of. And then you're just going to see that energy go down out of your torso, through your legs, through the bottom of your feet, through those roots, down deep into Mother Gaia, deep into the earth. You're releasing it. And you can even make a declaration. Mother Gaia, I give thanks that you have taken this energy, which I no longer wish to hold, and I give thanks that you have transmuted it for your highest good. Now, I know that some of the skeptics out there will be like, that doesn't work, but give it a try. You'd be amazed at how light you feel, like a burden has been lifted off of your shoulders when you visualize letting that heavy negative energy go. This is called grounding or grounding meditation. Number 2, energy cleansing. Smudging is a great way to remove negative energy from your space as well as your aura. You can burn incense, sage, Palo Santo, while you're setting your intention that any and all negative energy is being cleared and cleansed away from your aura and your space. Now, you can visualize and see your aura in your mind's eye as golden white, vibrant, and radiant. Speaking of visualization for removing negative energy, you can visualize a golden white light coming from the divine and showering your aura, washing away any heavy or negative energy. And pro tip, Light Fam, anytime you want to feel energy, you want to conceptualize that energy as liquid. For example, if you're bathing yourself in divine light, feel it as a waterfall crashing down on top of your head and entering your body temple. So that's a great technique for feeling the energy, is visualizing and conceptualizing it as liquid. Now, another technique for cleansing your aura and removing negative energy is to visualize and feel a protective bubble or shield around you that is intelligent. So you set the intention that this bubble knows which energy to block or cleanse, while simultaneously raising your vibration and heightening your intuition. Energy is programmable. And number 3, chakra meditation. This is for balancing and healing your 7 chakras. Remember that waterfall of golden white light that was crashing down on the top of our head from the previous example? Well, you're going to use that same technique to see and feel that divine light entering each chakra, starting from your crown. That golden white light is crashing down onto that crown chakra. Put your conscious awareness into your crown chakra. See it and feel it as it is expanding as a purple sun. And then you inwardly declare, my crown chakra is strong, open, healthy, balanced, and healed. And notice I said you're seeing and feeling that crown chakra expand as a purple sun. I didn't say a little purple energy ball. This is the thing. It's huge. It's expanding. It's a purple sun. It's growing while you're declaring that it's strong, balanced, and healed. Then you move down to your third eye chakra. Use the same technique. You're seeing an indigo sun expanding. Your conscious awareness is in your third eye. You might even feel a little bit of pressure right here. And you're declaring, my third eye is open. My third eye is strong. My third eye is balanced. My third eye is healthy. My third eye is healed. And you're seeing that indigo sun grow stronger and expand. It fills up the entire room. Now, this in and of itself is a phenomenal technique for opening your third eye. And yeah, you should start to see some pretty interesting synchronicities pop up in your life, and your psychic abilities and your intuition will definitely be off of the chart. But this is the technique that you want to do for each chakra all the way down: throat, heart, solar plexus, all the way through to the root chakra. This is called chakra meditation. Number 4, meditation. Now, obviously, meditation is the ultimate foundation for cultivating a deep connection with the universe, for profound self-discovery and heightened self-awareness. And if you'd like a deeper dive into how to meditate, you can go watch my video right here, How to Meditate, after you watch this video, of course. But did you know that you can also activate your intuition through meditation? So while you're in what we like to call the trance state, you can affirm that your intuition is connected to the universal mind and that you are constantly receiving guidance for your highest good on the path that fulfills your heart's desire. You can even create affirmations to repeat in meditation, such as, I give thanks that my intuition is super active and also guiding me for my highest good. You're going to repeat that in your meditation. And you know what you do next, Light Fam? Act on your intuition. I get this question all the time. How do I strengthen my intuition? You act on your intuition. This is how you not only strengthen it, but you imbue your energy field with the frequencies of confidence and decisiveness when you act on your intuition. Number 5, self-care practices. Eat healthy foods to nourish the body temple. The body, mind, and soul are the Trinity. They are a triune. They are energetically intertwined. They are one. You'll notice your intuition is much clearer. Your energy field is much cleaner when you eat clean. You know, they say you are what you eat. So if you eat junk food, wouldn't it stand to reason that your aura and your energy field will be junk? So eat clean, light fam. Also stay hydrated. Water is a superconductor of energy, and we are all 60% water. Water is the key to strong energy flow, and you can also program your water. So program your water with love, health, gratitude, abundance, whatever you want to internalize in the body temple. But how do you program the water? I would like to introduce a concept called intoning. So intoning is where you're going to send a vibrational frequency through your chest via humming or singing. You're kind of singing through your chest. I'll show you what I mean. So you have a glass of water and you want to program that water with, let's say, gratitude. So you might want to intone thank you into the water. It would sound something like this. Thank you. I'm trying not to have it come out of my mouth. I'm trying to send it through my chest. You've got the glass of water pressed against your sternum, and it's picking up that vibration. You're intoning that water with the frequency of gratitude. You can do this for whatever you want: love, joy, health, abundance. Now, for all of you skeptics out there that say, oh, this is just woo-woo nonsense, I'd like to introduce to you a very famous photographer, Dr. Masaru Emoto. I'm going to link a video in the description, but what he does is he photographs the molecular structure of water after a word has been spoken into it. So he'll take a glass of water, he'll put a speaker behind the water, and through the PA system, he might say love, or he might say joy, he might say happiness, he might say gratitude. And then he takes a picture under the microscope of the molecular structure of that water after the word has been spoken through that PA system. And you will see the most beautiful designs. It's basically sacred geometry. I think one word even created the wheel of life or the flower of life. But then he'll do the reverse. He'll say words like hate or ugly. And the molecular structure of that water is chaotic and random. And it's, kind of all over the place. And so there's actual proof that the words that you speak carry a very specific vibration, which lends credence to the concept that the universal energy is higher consciousness. It's on the frequency of love, gratitude. That's kind of the frequency of the universe. It's just our 3D egos that are in that opposite frequency that we have to learn to move through those frequencies to get more in alignment with our true essence. Dr. Masaru Emoto's video is in the bottom so that you can check out his experiment on photographing the molecular structure of water so that you can program your own water with confidence, knowing that it's working. And when you drink that water, you want to see that particular frequency, love, abundance, whatever you programmed it with, filling every fiber of your body temple. Also, remember to rest and play. Get a full night's rest for obvious reasons, but also spend time enjoying your hobbies or getting out in nature. When you're in the frequency of play, this tells your energy field that everything is okay and you're not in fight or flight. Story time, Light Fam, story time. Years ago when I was in the rat race of the 3D Matrix, I was working in a sales office. And of course, whenever you're around a group of people that are not self-aware, they don't meditate and are asleep in the matrix, as we say, you're going to encounter a ton of negativity. This is kind of par for the course. People were always complaining and arguing, playing the victim, just steeped in that scarcity and lack energy. But I was fresh into spirituality. I knew better because I was studying and practically applying these concepts in my life with phenomenal results. So, I was ready to flex my spiritual and energetic muscles. So you know what I did, Light Fam? I envisioned a gold and white light coming out of my heart chakra and into every person in that office. I visualized and felt that they were being filled with gratitude, abundance, joy, love. Talk about mastering your energy field and your environment. Now, it's interesting because later on that day, there was less complaining, there was less arguing, there was more joking and more laughing. Imagine that. People started hearing from old leads, old sales leads that they had forgotten about that were calling up all of a sudden wanting to buy our service. Now, funny enough, by the end of that month, sales were drastically up. And in the months to follow, we went on to be in the top 3 of the company when in the previous months we were having trouble even breaking into the top 10. The refreshing part of that is that it turned out to be a high vibrational work environment, and I actually enjoyed, strange as it sounds, going into the 3D matrix, but I actually enjoyed going into that office from then on. So guys, never underestimate your energy and your power to wield it. Why? Because everything is energy. Science has proven that literally everything is vibrating energy. Even what appears to be solid objects are still just energy. It's just tightly condensed energy. Now, if we consider the fact that your fellow human is not just energy, but sentient energy, aka conscious awareness, this means that you can change your energy field, and the change in your energy field is picked up by those around you. Now, they might not know on a conscious level what changed or what happened, but their actions will reflect the change, especially if you use the power of intention to imbue their energy with the higher frequency of love, gratitude, abundance, joy, and then give thanks that that change has already been done. Then you'll become the energetic alchemist of your energy field and your environment. Remember, guys, if you intentionally and mindfully practice mastering your energy field, not only will you supercharge your intuition, but you'll align with the people, places, and things associated with your dreams and what you consider to be a fulfilling life. Why? Because all of those things are energy. You simply need to align your energy field with the vibrational frequency of your dreams. When you master your energy, you master your dreams. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.